Welcome to our segment on stress-free dog breeds. Here are the top 10 easy-to-raise dog breeds that make great companions. Number 1, French Bulldog. They're affectionate, low maintenance, and great for city living. Number 2, Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. They're friendly, adaptable, and good for families. Number 3, Maltese. They're gentle, playful, and don't shed much. Number 4, Shih Tzu. They're outgoing, affectionate, and make great apartment pets. Number 5, Pug. They're charming, low energy, and love to please. Number 6, Bichon Frise. They're cheerful, gentle, and hypoallergenic. Number 7, Chihuahua. They're loyal, adaptable, and easy to groom. Number 8, Greyhound. They're quiet, gentle, and require minimal grooming. Number 9, Boston Terrier. They're intelligent, friendly, and easy to train. Number 10, Dachshund. They're loyal, playful, and good for small spaces. So, if you're looking for a stress-free pup, consider one of these breeds.